Ever wondered how you can start a YouTube channel without showing your face or recording your own voice? Welcome to the world of YouTube automation, a smart, savvy, and highly effective way to create engaging content without the need for complex equipment or extensive editing skills. YouTube automation is all about leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to streamline your content creation process. You see, with a few clever AI tools, such as ChatGPT, ElevenLabs, and InVideo AI, you can automate the entire process from script writing to voiceover and video creation. It's a game changer, especially for beginners looking to break into the YouTube scene. And the best part? You can start today, without a camera, without a microphone, and without any editing skills. All you need is a good idea, a computer, and a little bit of creativity. So let's dive in, starting with the first tool, ChatGPT. First off, we have ChatGPT, an AI tool that will write your video script. This tool is incredibly easy to use and yields high-quality results. Here's how it works. You simply open ChatGPT and type in a straightforward request. For instance, you could say, write a 5-minute YouTube script about how to start YouTube automation. Just like that, ChatGPT swings into action, instantly generating a full script for your video. The beauty of it all is that you can edit this script if you want, but even without any tweaking, it's already good to go. So, you've got your script. What next? Simply copy the entire text. That's it. You've successfully used ChatGPT to craft your video script. Now, with your script ready, it's time to bring it to life with our second tool, ElevenLabs. ElevenLabs is our next stop, where our script will be transformed into a realistic human voice. The process is simple and straightforward. All you have to do is paste the script you have prepared into ElevenLabs. Once that's done, it's time to choose a voice. The platform provides a variety of options, so pick one that sounds natural and clear to your ears. Now, it's time to fine-tune. Adjust the voice settings to your liking, making sure the pace and tone are just right. Once you're satisfied, click on Generate to create your voiceover. In a moment, you'll have a downloadable MP3 file. This is your video narration, ready to be paired with visuals. Remember, a good voiceover can dramatically enhance the impact of your video, so take your time to get it right. With the voiceover in hand, it's time to create the visuals with the third tool, InVideo AI. Welcome to InVideo AI, where your script and voiceover will become a complete video. To start, simply paste your script into the platform. Then, it's time to select your video style. Whether you prefer cinematic or stock footage, InVideo AI has got you covered. Next, upload your voiceover, the one you've downloaded from ElevenLabs. InVideo AI will take it from here, creating scenes, adding visuals, and ensuring everything is perfectly synchronized with your narration. But don't forget to enable subtitles. Many viewers watch videos without sound, so subtitles are a must. Once the magic is done, you'll get a chance to preview your work. Feel free to make any tweaks or adjustments at this stage. When you're satisfied with the outcome, export the video in high quality. And voila, your video is ready for upload. Let's move on to the final steps. Now that your video is ready, it's time for the final step, uploading it to YouTube. Start by giving your video a clear, compelling title that accurately reflects its content. Follow this with a concise description that provides viewers with a brief overview of what to expect. Don't forget to add relevant tags. These will help YouTube's algorithm understand your content and recommend it to the right audience. Consistency is paramount when maintaining your YouTube channel. Aim to post at least 2 to 3 times a week. Regular uploads not only keep your audience engaged, but also signal to YouTube that your channel is active, which can boost your visibility on the platform. As your channel grows, consider various monetization options, such as AdSense, affiliate links, or even promoting your own digital products. Remember, consistency is key. Don't wait for perfection. Start with what you have and improve as you go.